The drum of the washer will spin at very high speeds. Therefore, it is important that the washer is level to help reduce noise and vibration. Use a level to see that the washer is level. You can also check the level of a top load by determining if the tub is in the correct position. Open the lid, look inside, check the plastic guard to see if it's exposed more on one side than another. Before leveling, loosen the lock nuts on all 4 leveling feet. Place the level on a flat part of the washer, going from front to back. Turn the bolts clockwise to raise the washer, or counterclockwise to lower it. Do this until the bubble on the level stays right in the middle. Now turn the level to read from side to side. Turn the bolts clockwise to raise the washer, or counterclockwise to lower it. Do this until the bubble on the level stays right in the middle. Now gently rock the washer from corner to corner to see if it's really level. Now that the washer is level from side to side and front to back, tighten all the lock nuts. Run the washer with a test load to determine if the washer is leveled. Place around 6 pounds of laundry in the washer. Press power, select rinse and spin, and then press start pause. When the washer starts running, check to see if there is any rocking or vibration during the spin cycle. If so, rebalance the washer. Some floor surfaces are too slippery to keep the washer from moving on the floor doing unbalanced loads. If this is the case in your laundry room, we suggest that you install non-skid pads to prevent the washer from moving. Even with a level washing machine, you may still encounter unbalanced load. This is when the items in the washer are not balanced, preventing the drum from obtaining full speed spin. When there is an unbalanced load, the washer will show the lowercase u or the uppercase UE error code. The unit will attempt to rebalance the load and flash the lowercase u, uppercase E in the process. If it's unsuccessful after 3 attempts, it will switch to the uppercase U, uppercase E code. At this point, the unit needs assistance to correct the unbalanced load. To remedy a UE error code, you can manually redistribute the load, add a few items to distribute the weight, reduce spin speed to low or no spin on small loads, use bulky, large cycles for such items as rugs, comforters, sheets, blankets, and pillows. Remember, it is important that your LG washer is perfectly level during normal operation. This will reduce the sound level and vibration level and will also make the unit safe and quiet operating.